Someone interested. So we're gonna go through it, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you in more details a part of what I got rid of, do you know what I'm saying? This is the first suitcase done, now we're going to the second one. Abercrombie and Fitch, that's that designer stuff, you know what I'm saying? So the concept of today's video is that basically, since I started my minimalism journey, I got rid of almost everything, or half of everything, to be honest, yeah? And basically I separated whatever I got rid of into two categories: charity and the ones that I'm going to sell. Whatever the situation is, when you're an entrepreneur, you should leverage that situation to your advantage, do you get what I'm saying? So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
I understand. If being smarter means what you say it does, I'll remain a fool my entire life. I'll create some incredible jutsu, and I'll rescue Sasuke no matter what!
Someone interested. So we're gonna go through it, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you in more details a part of what I got rid of, do you know what I'm saying? And also, if you're interested in anything, I'll leave the link down in the description in Depop, in it. This is mainly gonna be clothes, so yeah, it's only gonna be clothes. Got these bottoms. It's like a short, basically. Celio, you know what I'm saying? If you know the brand. It's a French brand, Celio. You know, brand new. A Glow Gang Worldwide tracksuit. That's the tracksuit bottom. You know what I mean? Then we got the top. You know what I'm saying? All of the things featured here, I'm gonna put them on my Depop, so make sure you go follow me on Depop. You know what I mean? Nice Timberland polo, you feel me? It's a nice little polo thing, you know what I'm saying? If you love it, if you're trying to look nice for the girl them, you know what I'm saying? Keeping it classy. Polo long sleeve shirt, you know what I mean? Medium size. Calvin Klein. You know what I'm saying? This is one of them limited editions, you know what I'm saying? This is the original stuff though, medium, you know what I'm saying? It's a Japan version or something like that. But it's limited edition. It's tough, man. Look at this, man. Look at this little PSD shirt. I know my PSG fans are out here. It was so hard for me to separate myself from this little bad boy, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Little North Face joints. Little North Face t-shirt, you know what I'm saying? Long sleeve again, medium size. Most of the stuff here is going to be medium, you know what I mean? Nice little thing going, feel me? No pressure. It's another polo, long sleeve polo. Feel me? Hold on. I don't like when my pants are sagging. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yep. It's a bit old now, trust me, I'll bang for. This one is for my African people. Yes. My African queens and my African kings. The days you want to represent. This is what you gotta wear. You know what I'm saying? I'm Muslim, but if you go to church, you gotta wear one of these, buddy. This is for my rock and roll fans. You feel me? Amongst I know certain people are into rock. I'm not into rock, but I saw it in the past and I thought it was nice. You know what I mean? Yeah. Pink Floyd. This is for the old heads, you feel me? Then what do we have here? This one. It's so hard for me to separate myself from this. I might change my mind, you know, but Black Panther t-shirt, you know what I'm saying? R.I.P. to King Chadwick Boseman, King Boseman, you know what I mean? RIP to King Bozeman. But yeah, it's so hard for me to get rid of this one. But again, my African kings and queens. First queen, then the kings. Medium size, limited edition. You know what I'm saying? You know, your boy is from Africa. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got that limited edition stuff. This is not the stuff we find in the shop, buddy. Now we're getting to the good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Abercrombie and Fitch, that's that designer stuff, you know what I'm saying? That's that proper designer stuff. You already know what's going on, you already know what we got going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you already know. I don't like that. Listen, you see this, yeah? You got this hair, it's a big old, but you know what I'm saying? It does the job, you know? Medium. Little Adidas jumper. Nothing too mad, you know what I'm saying? We got ourselves something double XL, you know what I'm saying? A little Nautica Polo, you know what I'm saying? If you're on the heavy side of the balance. You know what I'm saying? A little something to make it look nice, you know? This is the first suitcase done. Now we're going to the second one. So yeah guys, quick timeout. It's Ramadan. You know what I'm saying? We're in the last 10 days, so I thought to myself, you know what? Let me promote some charities, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta be Muslim to, like, you know what I'm saying, to do something, you know what I'm saying? So I'll leave the link down to a couple of charities down in the description, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to donate to a cause, do your thing, fam. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing, you know what I'm saying? Get them good deeds if you believe in God. If you don't, if you believe in, I don't know, the universe or karma, fam, just give in it, you'll receive, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, ski. First thing first, let's start with some serious stuff, some serious drip. This one, it was so hard for me to get away from. It's a little Michael Kors. Michael Kors thingy, innit? Scarf, do you know what I mean? There it is, with the matching, with the matching hat, do you know what I'm saying? Unisex. So yeah, we got that. I know you like it. You see, your boy got taste, your boy can dress. There we go, we got another Adidas tracksuit. This is the hoodie obviously of the tracksuit. You know what I'm saying? Bottoms that go with that tracksuit. You know what I'm saying? Again, nothing too crazy. But yeah, it is what it is. You know, if you want any of these items from, just go on Depop, bro. Just go on Depop. My Depop, the link will be down in the description. So, we got a British brand, you know what I'm saying? This is CLSR London. You get me? Real nice. You know what I'm saying? Got some heavy drip. Okay, this is something for the OGs. Do you know what this reminds me of? Another Adidas tracksuit. It reminds me of, tell my man shut up. Mention my name yet? Shut up. Couple man call me a backup dancer. Backup dancer. I come from my mission. That's that basically. Remember that Stormzy freestyle, bro. That was legendary, bro. Then we got this. You know what I'm saying? It's not Fendi. It looks like Fendi. It's a jumper, but it's River Island. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Here again, we got another Celio cargo shorts. You get what I'm saying? With the belt and everything, you know what I'm saying? That's that good stuff, legit with the tag, you feel me? No capo. And finally, last but not least, we got ourselves a little Ellis's jacket. You know what I'm saying? A little something. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. Little something. Down. Feel me? Looks nice. Make you look nice, man. Yeah. So yeah, guys. That's it. Those are the stuff I'm selling on Depop. You get what I'm saying? From the decluttering. You know what I mean? This is the stuff I chose to get rid of, to be free, to go forward, and to have more space. You know what I'm saying? Because remember, Masashi Miyamoto said, a warrior travels light. And I see my life as that of a warrior. You know what I mean? Yes, I want to make money. Yes, I want to be rich. But I want to fulfill my purpose in life. That's what's most important to me. And money sure does help, but everybody gotta find their purpose. And I feel like, yes, I'm doing this YouTube thing and all that, but I know there's more that I can do. And so can you. Do you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, guys. It was your boy from School. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The link to all these items will be in my description. So go down, subscribe to Man on Depop, bruv. I'm not even playing. Subscribe to Man on Depop. Was your boy from School.